Summer is just around the corner, and this watermelon juice would be the perfect treat to beat the heat this summer. These are all the ingredients you're going to need to make the juice, so let's get started. You're just going to basically add all the ingredients to a blender, so that's the watermelon, some lemon juice, this is optional, but it does add a nice tang to the juice, some sugar if your watermelon is not sweet enough for you, but that's optional as well, and some salt to bring out the flavor of the watermelon. Put on your lid and just blend this for about a minute till the watermelon is nice and juiced up. And then pour it in a glass and enjoy! This is a really simple recipe that you can make without a juicer, and it is perfect to make if you have guests over as well. I hope you really enjoy this, and do stay tuned for more recipes. I'll see you soon. Bye!